The body has a characteristic framework that tidies out toxic substances that development in the body.Toxins are wherever, in our nourishment, water, and even noticeable all around we breathe. Because of elevated amounts of toxins, specialists say to take after a detox eating routine every so often to help the common arrangement of your body. Detoxing helps the liver work appropriately and takes the body back to its normal adjusted state. It will influence you to rest easy and bring down the danger of becoming ill a great deal because of abnormal amounts of toxins. Here are a few things you can do to normally flush toxins out of your body. 1. Drink plenty of water. Water is critical for the well-being of all your primary organs, since it helps in each metabolic procedure in the body. Water additionally flushes toxins out of your body. Actually, water enables your body to move out dung, which have a considerable measure of toxins. When you keep the gut and stomach-related framework solid, it enables your body to dispose of unsafe toxins each time you utilize the bathroom. Try to drink in the vicinity of 8 and 10 glasses of crisp water each day. Be that as it may, you may need to drink pretty much, in view of your atmosphere and movement level quickly. 2. Begin your day with lemon water. To bring down the measure of hurtful toxins in your body, begin every day with a glass of lemon water. The citrus extract in lemon helps detoxification. The type of lemon juice resembles the stomach-related juices found in the stomach, which helps the liver make bile. More bile keeps nourishment moving easily through your gastrointestinal tract. 3. Appreciate detox smoothies. Green smoothies produced using foods grown from the ground like spinach, kale, beetroot, apples, oranges, pears, kiwis, pineapple, avocado, horse feed sprouts, and ginger are an awesome sound fixing to add to your eating regimen. You can likewise utilize distinctive berries, nuts, and seeds in it. 4. Drink green tea. To enable detoxification, to change from your consistent espresso to green tea. Green tea is loaded with cancer prevention agents that assistance the detoxing of the body. This is on account of they support the formation of glutathione, a bearer, cancer prevention agent that frees the assemblage of destructive toxins. Green tea additionally has a sort of micronutrients called polyphenols which make fat-consuming hormones that are halted by toxins. This solid tea additionally enables the body to separate materials which is useful for weight reduction. Attempt to drink 2 to some green tea consistently. In the event that you get exhausted of green tea, switch it with other homegrown teas that have detox properties. 5. Get some exercise. Sweating is an extraordinary method to enable your body to dispose of toxins. Sweating gets additional salts and other terrible toxins out of your body. To help sweating, nothing is superior to anything customary exercise. 6. Take out toxic substances. In the event that you need to detox your body normally, it is imperative to decrease, or completely dispose of toxins that you have control over. In the meantime, diminish the worry in your life. At the point when your body is under pressure, poison levels go up. Bringing down pressure will make it less demanding for your body to detox each day.